American diplomatic mission here broke ground on a US-Pakistan friendship garden, Amriki Pakistan Dosti Bagh, in Clifton Urban Forest in celebration of Arbor Day, 30th of April. Located in the heart of Karachi, the addition to the urban forest will be a sustainable symbol of the United States' partnership with Pakistan to tackle the climate crisis. Consul General Silberstein stated, "We are investing in the health and well-being of the Karachi community. Addressing the climate crisis is a team effort, and together we can conserve and nurture forests even in urban areas to help improve the air we all breathe." The US Consulate, joined by Sindh Secretary for Environment, Climate Change and Coastal Development, Aslam Ghori, and Acting Consul General of Japan, Ashida Katsunori, is partnering with Urban Forest to build on local initiatives to increase tree coverage throughout Karachi.